from here, you are required to make the decorations that or the molds or the finishing that is done on the product that you make. Now we make the product, we make the cards or the molds by using the band saw. Okay? Yes. If you buy and buy, as you get used to interact with the tools and the machines that we have, Mr. David Gata, a trainer in Kiambu National Polytechnic. This is Carpentry Joinery workshop, whereby we deal with the carpentry and joinery works. Okay, there is a big difference between carpentry and joinery works. Mostly here we do joinery work. Carpentry is done later. This is a very interesting area because students tend to like the area. We are very equipped. We have enough materials, enough tools. The college provides us with enough materials every time we are opening the term or a semester. But the materials are always ready. We have enough tools. And that's good that we have very cooperative students. So we have not had any major challenges because they're very tricky area because it's an area whereby accidents can easily occur. But that's good that we have never had that experience. And we are hoping that we shall continue with the same spirit. We offer carpentry, pure carpentry and joinery that's craft certificate. The course takes about 2 years or 2.5 years, including the time for industrial attachment. We are also offering construction building technology. And in construction building technology, it involves, we do a bit of masonry, a bit of carpentry and joinery, and a bit of plumbing. But the students tend to spend most of their time in the carpentry. I don't know why they have more interest in the carpentry. Yes, after every external examination, students go out for industrial attachment for 3 months as they wait for the results of the first module or the external examination.
My name is Collins Gatia, a student in the Kiambu National Polytechnic, undertaking a course of certificate in building technology, where I would encourage anyone who wants to join Kiambu National Polytechnic to just do so because the course is very good. We have good trainers who are taking us through the course very well. I've just seen that this course is it's encouraging us to do it, and outside there's great jobs for us. That's why I've come to do this course, because it have the market for us.
This is a very good area. Maybe earlier on, people thought that carpentry is done, or most of these courses are done by failures, of which is not the case. There was that belief by the white man that the Africans can only do well in craft courses, which is not the case. It's a very good area whereby after you get the skills, you can really go hungry. You can develop yourself into so many other fields after doing this course.